Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and apps to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to sign up for Wally, a fantastic digital wallet app that helps you manage your money, track expenses, and even earn rewards on the go. If you're tired of juggling cash and cards, Wally is your new best friend. Stick around because in just a couple of minutes, you'll be all set up and ready to go. First things first, let's get started with the basics. Open your preferred web browser or download the Wally app from your phone's app store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once you're there, look for the big Sign Up button on the homepage. It's usually right at the top, so you can't miss it. Go ahead and click that to begin. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details. This includes your email address, a secure password, and maybe your phone number for verification. Pro tip: make your password strong. Mix in some uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. After you fill in the info, hit Next, and Wally will send a verification code to your email or phone. Check your inbox or messages, enter that code, and you're one step closer. Now, depending on the app, you might have to add some extra details like your name, date of birth, or even link a bank account. Don't worry, it's all straightforward and secure. If you're linking a bank, Wally uses encryption to protect your data, just like the big banks do. Once that's done, review your information for accuracy and click Submit or Create Account. Congratulations, you've just signed up for Wally. You'll be logged in automatically, and you can start exploring features like budget tracking or instant transfers. One last thing. Keep an eye out for a welcome email with tips on how to get the most out of the app. There you have it. That's how simple it is to join the Wally family. If you run into any issues, check their help section or contact support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.